Do it. Why they stuntin' on us? Like we ain't fucking them up. Fuck them niggas, they know how we bummin'. If I say it's up, then it's stuck. And we ain't squashing no beef. I ain't sending messages, I'm just catching bees. I ain't gon' diss them, but I won't smoke. I don't care if they want it with me.
YouTube, what it do, man? This your boy Vonno, man, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. Today's video, man, I got my boy SlimeGoon9, FrontLine. Hey, this is a video y'all requested, so I had to bring out this video. But if y'all do my channel, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, and share this shit with everybody. Comment down below what y'all want to see next time I'm getting on the DBM cartel. They're gonna take over this shit, y'all just stay tuned and keep up. Don't phone me great money, gotta say too much. My nigga A back on the screen, folks. And you know it's a banger when that nigga A pop up on phone.
I'm in the streets every day, I'm not high. Frontline, shots get fired. Road running, just me and my slime. He fuck with the ops, how the fuck he slime? These niggas ain't street, just bustin' around. I catch me a rapper, I'ma leave him crying. Put a pin on that chain like it's mine. Then go out Cali just to catch a vibe. We turned to no west, nigga, I ain't lying. I'm still in the hood, walking with my eye. Bust down shit, serving junkies dying. Bitch got mad, I ain't got the time. He think I be solid cause he did some time. Don't rush the rich shit, take some time. Hop out the car, he hopped out the line. Bullets start to fly. Yeah, in the streets is eye for an eye. I got hit, nigga, I was live. Here in the spider hole, can't find. Hop in that spider hole, I'm a down. Personally high, up or down. Fake ass plug, I'ma run around. He thought he was it, only serving ounce. Town came in, stuff him in the couch. He wanted some white, so the nigga power. 3 days, 30 bands and no shower. Throwing that drip, I just took a shower. Please keep calling, I'ma be an owl. I keep me a stick, cause shit can get rowdy. Rich nigga hit, skirting in the out. Slime on top, you know that you can find. Yo, bitch, if you come find, king of that trap, nigga, I got keys. Plug heard about me, don't want me. Rob the nigga, take his shit to the street. Shots at me, then I'm sweeping the street. He beefing with me, how the fuck?
Hey, I forgot where y'all told me he from, but sure, he go crazy, G. I forgot where y'all told me he from, G. I don't react to him enough.
Young pay nigga, I rich on the street. Instagram, bitch, geeking a me. How you know me? That bitch was the reason. Ride with that Drake, niggas, that seed. That Drake blowing, broken the beat. No mention my name, nigga, and we beat. Niggas ain't slide, niggas just tweet. Bitch came over, fuck for the week. I ain't my person.
Niggas ain't sliding, they really just be tweeting.
Run in the bowl, nigga, he was leak. Go hit Jack Boy, he be creep. Run up 100 bands on one seat. Switches the drip, nigga, it's a new seat. Just cause you drip cost, it ain't cheap. It ain't no Raf Simmons on my feet. Roof Chris Mills, man, that shit cheap. Might take a flight, be back in a week.
Slime, we'll be back in a week, nigga. Shout out my nigga A be popping on the screen. You know that shit lit when my nigga A popping on the screen. On folks from great. Anyway, if y'all fuck with that shit, go check it out. If not, go about y'all day. The original link on the description. More reactions coming soon. Y'all stay tuned. No cap.